What, you want me to
Anytime
start?
you're ready.
You want me to
Let me
start?
know when you're ready.
Ah, sure. Okay.
हेलो आदाब खुशामदीद वेलकम। देखें हम हैं कराची क्वार्ट्स, अब्दुल अलीम और
हमाद
कहाँ आए हुए हैं हमाद?
हम आए हुए कुंड मली बलोचिस्तान।
बलोचिस्तान। गेम है ऑन किधर? मैक्स बीच रिजॉर्ट।
मैक्स बीच रिजॉर्ट।
दुरानी कैंप।
ड्रोन वीडियो बना। Guys, like, comment and subscribe. Do all the nice things, please. It helps a lot.
ओके वॉच, ओके बाय। You hope so.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's like one must never take life for granted. Anything can happen along the way. We might not end up there. We might get lost. We might end up somewhere else. That's why it's an adventure. Opening the camera is part wild ride. But yes, we intend to go to Kundmali and hopefully we will get there.
Hopefully, well, given that it's a pretty much a straight road and we have to make one left of the highway, I'm pretty sure we won't get lost.
Continue on Makran Coastal Highway for 142 kilometers.
Oh wow, did you just say that?
2.5 hours in, how are you feeling now, Hamad?
That's feeling good, not too shabby. As you can see, we've exited the cities. Feeling better already. We are in wild mode on.
Seat belt. Oh yeah, look at that. That's crazy, bro. That is a locust swarm. Oh, don't open a window. Don't open a window. This is crazy, dude. It's going on for a while. This is over quite a large period of distance and they're still going.
Period of distance, eh?
So a pretty large. Shut up. I'm excited. And I'm trying to do other things at the same time.
Span
and
of
you're
distance.
pressuring me.
Try span. Span of distance. That might
Don't
work.
pressure me. This one is just chilling. It's just sitting there and chilling.
I'm the one driving the locust swarm. Pressure me.
How do you feel about that, Ahmad? Does that get you excited?
I'm very excited.
Don't look very excited.
यार बस एक वीडियो सर पर सिर्फ फैमिलीज को जाने की इजाजत है, असला लाना मना है। 4 घंटे
4 घंटे स्ट्रेट, सीधा 4 घंटा लगा। सफ्तल भाई, फशानवे भाई, बाबर भाई, बेहतरीन। चलें जी।
Great time, very excited indeed. Look at those mountains.
We got the tent up. This is our home. The next few days. Hope it doesn't fall down on us. The morning has broken on our little campsite. The tent has come down there because of the wind.
Breakfast.
Eggs going. Oh yeah. Look, see to the important facilities. Yeah. We got eco bricks. Check it out, bro. A little cowboy bathroom going here. Good morning. Right. Neat and clean. The facilities. Little sandy, but is the beach. Morning one.
Morning one, yeah.
How did you sleep?
I slept good, man. It took me a long time to fall asleep, but एक time मैं सो गया है। क्या मजा है।
First pack of the trip. Happy flying. How did you feel, Ahmad? First flight?
Oh, my knees were shaking by the end for no reason. I just didn't go out and do anything, and I'm I don't know why.
Did you have fun?
Not really. I got lost. I think I'll set up to have fun in the next flight now. But yeah.
Ready to go. Batteries are burning. Long range flights. Take one. Mid range flight. Take one. It looks really far away in the goggles, bro. Gonna stand here, Hamad.
You can just do it. You'll have to make a call, okay? When you're going behind you. But what's in front of you is more than flyable in one whole battery.
Okay.
So once you're done with the initial thing, start looking at these ridges and overhangs and start proximating them.
There we go. Here we go, shouting out our Kangaroo Squad, Rax Boys, Lugo Studios, RBFPV, Harzu Baluch, Don E, Shahzad Muhammad Ali, Random FPV, Reaction Entertainment, Philip Melbourne, and Akbar Durrani. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you for watching all the way and making sure that you left a comment. We appreciate you. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hot take. Yeah, cheese. We're back. Everything is back. How do you feel, Hamad? Recce flying phase 1. Do you have a good time?
Good time, yes. Very promising.
Yeah, here's it. Kun Maler is a beach in Balochistan, Pakistan. Located in Hingol National Park, it is about 240 kilometers west of Karachi, the largest city of Pakistan. And Hingol National Park, which is the largest national park in Pakistan, as per Wikipedia. Oh yeah, we're here in the national park. Day 1. We've already spent half a day of flying. We're going out again. Up. Hingol National Park, or Hungol National Park, is located in the Makran coastal region. It covers an area of about 6,100 square kilometers, that's 2,400 square miles, and sprawls across 3 districts of Balochistan: Gawadar, Lasbela, and Avaran. It was declared a national park in 1988, and it is named such because of the southern part of the Hangul River, which flows along the shores of the Arabian Sea and is home to large numbers of waterfowl and marine life. The national park contains 6 distinct ecosystems as well as both deserts and plains regions, making it especially unique among Pakistan's national parks. The footage you are seeing is pretty unique among the drone footage that comes out of Pakistan. If you all ever wonder what you gotta do to fly FPV, check it out. We're at the spot trying to figure out what the signal scene is. We're gonna find the highest point. We're gonna rip some packs. The signal scene I'm talking about, of course, is the radio frequency signals between us and the first-person view drones that we're flying. These are fully manual, custom-made racing drone machines that we're using as long-range, well, really mid-range cinematic GoPro carriers. You see skulls on the mountain. These beautiful sculptures are all over Hingol, and the unique rock formations have been attracting tourists, well, more so since 2004, when they completed the Makran Coastal Highway. The national park itself is a sanctuary for endangered wildlife. During our 3-day trip, we saw foxes, large porcupines, a pair of ibex right underneath where the drone is flying right now. We saw it from the road. Our guide, a fantastic local, Mr. Pasham Bey, who's also responsible for these great music tunes that you're listening to. He spotted it out of the moving car, had us pull over, and we had a look-see. So really special animal species there. We saw some albatross earlier. We saw a blue-breasted robin that's not on camera, but we got to see that. That was really special. And there's apparently 257 plant and 289 animal species that live in this sprawling national park that has deserts, plains, forests, rivers, the ocean, a magical, mystical place. There truly are, Horatio, more things in heaven and earth than exist in your philosophy. Oh, hello, good morning. It's morning number 2. How do you feel?
Hello. I feel fine. Quite determination के साथ जागे हम और अब तैयार हो रहे हैं. मैं बाथरूम जाऊंगा पहले. नाश्ता जल्दी से तैयार करता हूँ.
Take 3. Day 2. Day 2. We're going out to the Princess. We got out early today. Okay, we got out a little earlier. And we're going to some different landscapes out there today. Let's see how we can do. Well, grab the bottle. Okay, so we're here in our breakfast spot, huh? Having a little breakfast, little PB&J. Oh yeah, little PB&J action going on there. And we're here Hingol National Park. Look at that. We're gonna have some fun. Hingol National Park एक मज़हब माशरे की पहचान जानवरों की कदर से मुमकिन है महकमा जंगलात और जंगली हयात बलोचिस्तान. So you can tell a society by how it treats its wild animals. Okay, we're here at this spot. We're gonna have like a quick little exploration-y pack. Gonna take it real easy. Everything should be all good. And yeah, check it out. Hingol National Park, baby. I'm not feeling very hopeful, guys. We're gonna run across this road here, look both ways. There's the princess, she's up there. Believe that's like her fat sister. But shame on you people, shame. Look at this. Look at all these bottles, bro. Who's gonna come and pick this up? Is your puppy going to come and pick this up? And look, someone's even left a beer can there. For shame. Water bottle, Nestle bottles, Aquafina bottles. Good God in heaven, look at this. What is this? What is this, huh? What is this? For shame. For shame. Shame. Shame on you. Next time you come, pick your shit up. Shame. Shame. Shame indeed. One has to think that the Lord has reserved a special place in hell for those people that leave their trash in such pristine, natural environments. And they're not immediately awestruck by the beauty and splendor that surrounds them, and they just leave their trash out with taking no responsibility and just not thinking about the consequence of their action, that it's going to be there for the next few hundred years and it's going to kill countless natural species and mess with the ecosystem. And what a gorgeous ecosystem it is. So this is the sculpture I mentioned a while back. I call her the fat sister of the Princess of Hope, but that's not really the name. That's just me. The Princess of Hope herself, of course, behind this enigmatic sculpture flying up to her now. So this is something. The story goes that Angelina Jolie visited Pakistan, and on her trip down past the highway, she saw that sculpture and she said, "Hey, that looks just like a princess," and that's why we call her the Princess of Hope. Now we're trekking a little bit deeper into the canyons around her. No trash to be found here. Nobody was there. We explored this rainwater carved chasm. We figured there's a waterfall at the end of it that comes with the rain. And then we set up to do a little bit of flying to take a close look at the princess herself. So as I said, I like the other sculptures and the other, wind and rain carved stuff around, but the princess herself is pretty special. And I noticed something really, really special. You're going to have to go to the Karachi Quad's Instagram to get a close look at this one, because right there where we went over, I found while reviewing footage that there's actually a tree growing on top of the Princess of Hope. So this huge spire in the middle of this arid land, there's actually something growing a couple of 100 meters up into the air on top of the princess there. So that certainly changed my view of the Princess of Hope, and that I'm going to put that picture out on Instagram. You guys are going to have to go follow Karachi Quads on Instagram to see that picture. But there's actually a plant somehow growing right at the top of that spire, right there, right at the head of her. And wow, that is really that makes me think of hope. Because if that plant can manage to live up there, then we should surely be able to find a way to live down here, And good and important thing to remember if you're living is to do things because you enjoy them. I doubt if anyone is watching this video way down, other than myself in the future. Hi, future Aleem, and Hamad Anis, whose squad I'm chasing here. And a good thing that I want to remind the both of us watching this video way down in the future is that, hey, sometimes it's important just to have fun, and there's no fun like just going out with your buddy and playing. This is what we're doing on this trip. It was a lot of fun. We were treated to such natural splendor that you saw in the night lapses. You see us flying around here and through this canyon. This is another rainwater carved canyon where we got to later on in the video explore an unexplored, at least per our guide, an unexplored water source where there's a spring or there's some rainwater deposits up there that are slowly leaching their way back down to the ocean, which we see off in the distance here. And oh, just look at this splendor. Wow. If you're still watching all the way down here, wow, you are amazing. Shout out let's give you a secret word. You remember in the beginning of the video we shouted out our kangaroo squad. So for this video we're gonna have an ibex squad. That's right, because we saw 2 ibex on this trip. So put down ibex in the comments, IBEX, and in a future Karachi Quads video you'll get a shout out just the way that the kangaroo squad got a shout out in this video. And let me know what you guys thought, right? Like obviously it's really good if you guys smash that like button and the subscribe button and you keep coming back and you're watching more. But what I really like, what I find really rewarding, is when someone takes a moment out to leave a comment, lets me know what they think, whether they liked it or they disliked it, spots I can improve. Like this is something that I have a future note. Next time you go out there, future Abdul Aleem, future Hamad, you guys fly that gap. Spoiler alert, we didn't fly it this time. Just looked at it. All right, back, day 2, morning 2. How do you feel, Hamad? Yeah, all right, let's charge up again and let's go out again in the evening, because right now it's hot and sunny. Look at that. It's sunny. It's hot. All right. Oh yeah, lunch of champions. Got some scrambled eggs. Yum yum. Got some sliced up beef. We're gonna have a good time. We got some local fish and rice over there as well. Let's take a look. We got some, oh yeah, yummy. Looks like it's got some vegetables in it. Zabardast. We're gonna fuel up, ready to fuel up for more FPV?
Get yourself a fork. Dude, I broke my glasses on this camping trip and I didn't bring a spare or anything. And now I'm repairing them. I repaired them in the field using electric tape. And now I'm going to upgrade by using duct tape.
Oh yeah, get it done. And that's about it. We have got it done. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this final golden hour pack from our fantastic FPV trip to Mars on Earth, FPV heaven, Hingol National Park, Pakistan. If you guys want to know anything more about the locations, about what we do, or you want to get in touch and have some fantastic FPV footage made of your adventures, shout out in the comments or get in touch with us through Facebook on the Karachi Quads Facebook page. I'll let you guys enjoy the musical stylings of Pashambe and the mystical sculptures of God Himself as we fly through Hingol National Park.
हाँ
वापस आना है नहीं आना है?
हाँ बिल्कुल वापस आने हैं यार, क्या मतलब।
अभी हम
माइंड ब्लोन, दिस वाज अमेजिंग।
हम जी जा रहे हैं, हम जा रहे हैं, तैयार हो गए हैं, पहुंच गए हैं। देखें ये हमारे दुरानी कैंप का गेट है, गाड़ी रेडी है, लोडेड है। अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं कराची। बहुत शुक्रिया आपने एंड तक वीडियो देखी। जगहों के नाम शाम पता करने हो, कुछ करने हो तो लीव अस अ कमेंट, स्मैश दैट लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, ऑल दैट गुड स्टफ। वी कैच यू इन द नेक्स्ट कराची क्वाड्स वीडियो। हाँ,
ओके बाय।
bye. Thanks again for watching all the way to the end. What you can do now is smash that subscribe button, let us know in the comments what you thought, and watch either our latest video or a video that YouTube has selected especially for you. See you in the next Karachi Quads adventure. Have a lovely day.